guys, we're gonna go into Michael's and see what we can find. Eee, I'm so excited. All right. Walking in, there it is. Here we go. Ooh. All of the yarns. So exciting. This is my happy place, guys. I love it so much. All right. So, I'm not here for anything in particular. Just, there's a really good sale going on for President's Day. And all yarn is buy 3 get 1 free, and they also have a 25% off entire purchase going on right now. So I am super excited about all of this yarn. This Michael's has a way better selection than the one over by my house. So we're gonna see what we can find today. Alright, so I got 4 skeins of yarn and 2 new patterns. We're going to go check out. Alright, we're at Joann now. Let's see what we can find. Woo! Alright, in we go to the yarn section. I should have grabbed a cart again, but I forgot. Here we go. Alright. It's much less busy than it was over at Michael's. Alright, so they've got their blanket yarn on sale. That's cool. Do love me some blanket yarn. Alright, so we've got back up here. So the one color in cotton that I'm wanting to find is a Kelly green. And I have yet to find it. Like, this is close. But it's called Rainforest, and it looks a little bit bluer than what I'm hoping for. If that's what I gotta get, St. Patrick's Day is coming. And I'd really, really, really love to make some cute shamrock coasters for St. Patty's Day. Let's see here. All kinds of good yarn. Alright. Here's that Red Heart Granny Square yarn that gave me a hard time. Alright. Alright, so this is what I decided to get. I've got 2 of these chunky bulkies, some cotton, and then I got these 2 colors to make a shamrock garland for St. Patrick's Day coming up. Woo! Now I'm going to check out. Alright, heading out to the car. Return my cart. Alright guys, here we go. Oh, I was upside down. Back to the car. Got me some yarn. Yay, yarn haul. Alright, back in my car, got me some yarn. I'm super excited. We got some green stuff here. We got some stuff that I probably didn't need, but I got anyway. Now to get back to the house and start making some stuff. Hey guys, I'm back home now and I'm ready to show y'all what I got. So from Michael's, they had that sale going on for President's Day, which was the buy 3 get 1 free. So I got 4 new skeins of yarn from there. I needed more black yarn because I don't have enough of the worsted weight black. So I got this thing of loops and threads, color craft, giant thing of it. It should last me a good little while. I also got 3 of these Karen Blossom cakes. They're super cute. This one is in the color macaw. Look at how pretty that is. It's so pretty. Super happy about it. I got this one in the color Caribbean Sea. Different blue shades and stuff. Again, super pretty. And then the last one that I got is this one here, and it is in Radiant Rainbow, which is, again, so pretty. I love the variegated colors in it. And also at Michael's, I got 2 free patterns. They have a little area, usually on an end cap, that has knit and crochet patterns that they offer for free. So I got this super cute crochet granny square, and you use the Karen cinnamon swirl cakes to make it. And then there was also this really cute crochet hair bandana, which uses the Karen skinny cakes. Awesome. So these next yarns that I got are for projects for the end of February and into early March for St. Patrick's Day. So I got these Big Twist. This one's the Big Twist Twinkle, and it is so pretty. I don't know if you can see the shimmer in it, but I absolutely adore this color. And I also got a Big Twist in Varsity Green, which is like your basic, almost Kelly green color. And with those two, I am going to be making a shamrock garland for you guys. And then I also got, see here, pull up this other bag, 2 skeins of the Hometown USA Lion Brand yarn in Green Bay. Super cute. I'm going to be making a hat with these. I'm really excited about that. I'm a little disappointed in the color of the Sugar and Cream green yarn. It seems very flat. They didn't have a traditional Kelly green in the Sugar and Cream color. This was the closest I could get, and it's called Rainforest. Woo! And it's the Sugar and Cream Rainforest colored yarn. It's 100% cotton, and this is going to be made into coasters, shamrock coasters for St. Patty's Day. Do you see a theme here? And then last but not least, I've got this big cone of Lily's Sugar and Cream, and it is in the shade Ahoy Ombre. And if you look, it's shades of green. There's a little bit of like a seafoamy blue color in here and orange. But I liked the fact that it was the colors of the Irish flag. So what I'm hoping to do with this is to make a festival top. We'll see how it goes. I've only ever made one in my entire life, and it came out all right. It was I think it was the pineapple festival top. I'd like to try something different. I might see what I can find online and make it with that. But that was my yarn haul from Michael's and Joann's today. Thank you guys so much for joining me on that trip. Yeah, so this is what I got. I enjoyed making this video with y'all, and I cannot wait to see you guys next time.